Hello everybody, my name is Hamid bin Rashid Al-Khayyat. I'm a student here at Dubai National School in the 10th grade. I'm a previous member of the Emirati Children's Parliament and previous member for the second term of the Arab Children's Parliament. I wanted to express my gratitude and I wanted to show my appreciation for the KFI program. They have partnered with Dubai Islamic Bank to present us with a workshop today at school. And honestly, it was just the workshop that we needed. Because at school, we always learn different topics like biology and arithmetics. However, some people grow up and they never use those skills. And not to mention, we are never provided with a reason why we learn these things. This program was able to show us that money is the most important thing in life. It is the root of all of your important decisions, whether that is marriage, or that is college, or whether it's buying a car. It is very important to know the value of money. And it's very important that you make the smartest decisions in order to save money, in order to make money, and in order to not lose your money. And a reason was provided for all of these things, since money is very important in our life, especially in our adult life. And since we're still children, we're the people that need to hear this the most. So I wanted to thank everybody. I wanted to thank the instructor, Miss Marilyn, and I wanted to thank Dubai Islamic Bank and the KFI Group for this wonderful program. Thank you very much.